my gosh, that's huge. What do you mean?
Yeah, it's gonna be a very sticky job.
I'm going under and I fear this time there's no one to save me.
Oh my gosh, look it up. Hey buddy, are you okay? It's okay.
I need somebody to heal, somebody to know, somebody to have.
Are you hungry? If you want, we'll get you a free meal.
It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you numb the pain, and now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it.
I see her.
What?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, there she is.